Hi, I'm Natalie from Plannercraft, and I'm going to take you through a mixed media square. This forms part of a swap that I'll be doing over the next 12 months. The swap focuses on 4x4 inch squares, and I've cut mine from a packet. I prepared these as a batch, so I've got the next 4 months sorted already. Gather your inks and supplies. I'll be using VersaMagic Pixie Dust, Pink Grapefruit, Niagara Mist and Aquatic Splash. Work on your stencil a section at a time. I'm using a Colorbox blender with a black tip. Ink as many sections as you desire, then either leave to dry or add embossing powder for a different look. I added doodling over my stencil work to create a different finish before blending distressed oxide inks over the top. You can lift colour away from your distressed oxide background by placing your stencil back over the top and rubbing lightly with a baby wipe. I've then added 3 washi page flags. I stamped the date in the finished piece and put it to one side, but you may want to include a stamped figure or other design. Swaps are a great way of discovering and learning new techniques. Why not try one today? Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our page. Visit our blog for more great projects.